Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a big mouth bird. If you are interested in it and want to learn it, just keep watching. So let's start. To finish this project, you will need papers, pen, glue, and your hands. First, choose your favorite color of paper, and then fold a cross on the paper. Here is a tip. When make origami, you can not only use your eyes to see, but also use your fingers to check whether they are aligned. Next, align the four corners to the middle of the cross. After that, reverse it and repeat the previous step. Then reverse it again. Choose one side to be its face and fold this side out. And other sides in. Later, draw any kinds of eyes you like. When you finish it, you can glue the wings up. Finally, you finish your work. If you like, you can make as many birds as you want. Okay, this is the end of my video. Hope you enjoy it and actually learn how to make it. See you next time. Bye.